Hi students, hope all are fine and safe. I am Aruna, lecturer in Computer Science, Sasayar College for Women, Eluru. In this video, I am going to explain about trees. This is Unit 3 in Data Structures. And this data structures is paper for 2nd BSc Computer Science students, 3rd semester. This is the syllabus in Unit 3. In this unit we learn about trees, binary tree, properties of binary tree, ADT of binary tree, arrays, linked list, representations, implementations and applications. Binary search tree, definitions, ADT, operations and implementations of BSTs, thread binary trees, heap trees. Tree. A tree represents the nodes connected by edges. A tree is a non-linear data structure in which each node is attached to one or more nodes as children. Recollect the unit 1 videos. There you learn that what is a data structure and what are the different types of data structures. Tree is a non-linear type of data structure. In previous videos you learn about arrays, linked list, stacks and queues. These are all linear data structures. Trees and graphs are non-linear data structures. A tree is a non-linear data structure compared to arrays, linked list, stacks and queues, which are linear data structures. A tree can be empty with no nodes, or a tree is a structure consisting of one node called the root and 0 or one or more subtrees. For elaborating this definition, we consider the real life examples like family tree, table of contents of a book, class inheritance hierarchy in Java, computer file systems. Consider a family tree. In a family, grandparents, parents and children. We represent with grandparents, parents followed by children. This representation is an example for tree. Similarly, class inheritance. In Java, we represent the inheritance concept like single inheritance, multiple, multi-level, all these in different levels. That representation is also an example for tree. We all do when we save a file, we will save that file in a folder or subfolders. When we access that file, first we will go for the main folder and then subfolder and then file. This is also an example for trees. Tree terminology. Here you observe the diagram. This is an example for tree. I constructed a tree with one or more nodes connected by edges. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. All these are nodes connected by edges. Here in this tree, I represented some terminology like root, parent, child, height, depth, level, subtree, siblings, leaf, terminal nodes. Most of these terms are related to real world trees or family relationships like parent and child. There are many terms used to describe the particular aspects of trees, like nodes, edges, root, leaf node, interior node, and empty tree. What are nodes? The elements in a tree are called nodes. How these nodes are attached or connected? By edges. An edge is a connections between nodes. Coming to root. Root is the origin of the tree. In our daily routine life, we will observe n number of trees or plants. Pluck a tree, and if we observe that the base of the tree is roots. It is in our daily routine life. Now in this tree structure, the origin of the tree is called as root node. How many nodes, root nodes are placed in a tree? There is only one root node in a tree. The distinguished element that is the origin of the tree. Leaf node, a node without an edge to another node. It means the current node is not connected to any other nodes. Then these nodes are called as leaf nodes or terminal nodes. Interior nodes are also called as non-leaf nodes, non-terminal nodes. A node that it is not a leaf node. It means that the node is connected to another node. Then these nodes are called as interior nodes. Empty tree. Empty tree has no nodes and no edges. Degree of a node and degree of a tree. The number of children it has is the degree of a node. Here consider the diagram. I have taken C as a node, and how many children it has? 2. Then the degree of the node is 2. If you observe the second diagram, you can take any node in this tree structure. Here I am taking I. The degree of I node is 0 because it doesn't have any children. Consider D. D node has only one child. Then the degree of node D is 1. The number of subtrees of a node or the number of outgoing paths of a node is called a degree of a node. Then what is the degree of a tree? Each and every node is having some degree. The maximum of the degrees of the tree nodes is considered as a degree of a tree. Here in this diagram, begin with A node. A has 2 children. Similarly, B has 2. C has 2 childs. F has 2 childs. D with 1 child. H, E, I, J, G has no childs. Then the degree is 0. Now in this structure, the highest degree is having 2. Then the maximum of the degree of the tree is 2. Siblings. What are siblings? The children at same level or the children of same parent are called as siblings. Consider the diagram B, D, E. D and E are the siblings of B. Similarly, F, G are the siblings of C. Consider the previous diagram. There B and C are the siblings of A and I and J are siblings of F. The childs are at the same level or of same parent are called as siblings. Ancestors. What is a node ancestor? As ancestors of a node are all the nodes along the path from the root to that node. Here, consider a family example. We will say that our forefathers, like that. Similarly, its parent, for example, consider D. Its parent is B. Its parent is A. And its parents. This is called the ancestor of a node. Path. A path is a sequence of edges leading from one node to another node. If we want to travel from source to destination, here I want to traverse the tree from A node to J node. Then the path, how we access that J node from A is A to C, C to F, F to J. Way from node to node along the edges connected with them, the resulting sequence of the node are called path. You can take any tree structure and from starting node to ending node. Okay. Level of a node. If you observe the diagram, starting root node is considered as level 0 or a parent node. After that, the next level is parent plus 1. Now the parent level is 0 and the next level is 0 plus 1, 1. If we extend, then the next level is parent plus 1. Now the parent is level 1 plus 1 is 2. Similarly, next level is 3, next level is 4, so on n. The number of edges between the root and the node is called a level of a node. The level of a node is defined initially getting the root B at level 1, their children level plus 1 or parent is L and their children is at L plus 1. Depth or height of a tree. How we define the height of a tree? Here in this diagram we represented the maximum level is 3. The maximum level of a node in a tree is considered as height of a tree. It is defined to be the maximum level of any node in a tree. In this example, the height of the tree is 3. Forest. If I remove a root node from the tree structure, then their branches are called as forest. In the previous diagram, I removed the root node A. If I remove a root node, then B disjoins a tree and C disjoins a tree. B is called a forest and C is called a forest. Root. A root. The node at the top of the tree is called root. How many number of root nodes can be created in a tree? Only 1. For a collection of nodes and edges to be defined as a tree, there must be one path from the root to any other node. What is a parent node and what is a child node? Consider a diagram. If the edge is running towards downwards, then that node is called as children. If an edge running upwards to any other node, then it is called as parent node. The node below the given node is called as child, and the node above the given node is called as parent. If you observe the diagram, I have represented it with arrow directions from E to B. B is parent of E. Now any node has exactly one edge running upward to another node. The node above is called the parent of the node. E is the child of B. Any node may have one or more lines running downward to another nodes. The nodes below the given node are called its children. A parent has one or more childs. Leaf nodes. In the introduction slide, we learned that the leaf node doesn't have the connection with the other nodes. It means it doesn't have any children. A node that doesn't have no children is called a leaf node or simply leaf, also called as a terminal node. There can be only one root in a tree, but we can have many leaves. Subtree. What is a subtree? We have already defined a tree. The part of a tree is considered as a subtree. Any node may be considered to be the root of a subtree. It consists of its children and so on. A subtree of a node consists of a child node and all its descendants. A subtree itself is a tree. A node may have many subtrees. If you think in terms of families, a node subtree consists of all its descendants. Here in this diagram I have given F, I, J. Visiting node. A node is visited when a program control arrives at that node. Merely passing over a node on the path from one node to another node is not considered to be visiting the node. Usually the purpose of carrying level 0 from the operation node, such as checking the values of one of its data fields or displaying it, is considered as a visiting node. If I want to travel from A to J, from A I have to travel C, and from C to F, F to J. Then the visiting node is wherever the program control rises. That node is visiting node, either A or C or F or J. Next one is traversing. What is traversing? Visiting all the nodes in some specific order is called as traversing. For example, you might visit all the nodes in order of ascending key values. A traversing of a tree requires that each node of a tree be visited once. There are standard traversal orderings like pre-order, in-order and post-order. Keys. We have seen that one data in an object is usually called a key value. If you observe the node, the value that is placed in that node is considered as key value. Why we use this value? This value is used to search the item or to perform other operations on it. In trees, when a circle represents a node holding the data item is considered as keys. The key value of the item is typically shown in a tree like A, B, D, H. This is the final tree structure. Terminologies: root, path, subtree, parent and child. Leaf nodes, interior nodes. This is about trees and tree. These are the web links. If you want, you can. Thank you.